This right here is a $10 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw from it. Okay, I've been able to claim mine and I'm already trading with it. So once you meet their terms and conditions and you verify your KYC, you'll be able to withdraw from it. So I want you all to head on to go and claim it. Okay, so if you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. Okay, so let's go as I show you all the steps that you will need to claim this bonus.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
Okay, so for you to get the link, you just go to the description below. Then you're going to see something like this: claim your funded account here, or claim your no deposit bonus here, or claim the bonus right here. Yes, so you just click on the link that you see there. Okay, so it's going to bring you over to my Telegram channel. As you can see it, this is what you're going to go through. This is what you're going to see. So to bring you over to my Telegram channel, so that is where you're going to get the link. Yeah, so this is my Telegram channel, and that is where you're going to see the link. Can you get it? Yes, so that's how to access the link. And you can also join my Telegram community for more updates. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to register. Okay, so we're going to be inputting our name, email, country, then username and password. Then after that, you click on this, I have a promo code. Then you confirm that you're 18 years. Then after that, you click on create your account. So let's do that. Okay, I've done that already. So I'm just going to click on create your account. Yes, so my registration is successful. So let me check my email right now. Then I'll come back to login. Okay, so this is my email. As you can see, I've gotten their message. So I'm just going to click on it. Yes, so I'm going to be activating my account. So I'll click on activate account. Yes, so it has been activated successfully. So I'm just going to log in right now. Okay, so I'm logged in already. Yes, so this is what the platform looks like. Okay. Yes, so we're going to click on account right here. So you can see that we have the fast trade demo and the fast trade real. And the fast trade demo is $10,000. Then for the fast trade real, you can see that it is 0. Okay, so we're going to be going for the real account. Okay, so we'll just click on profile. Yes, then we're going to click on security and KYC. So we're going to be verifying our accounts, and we're also going to be requesting for what's two-step authenticator. Okay, so let's click on it. So we're going to be inputting the code right here. After doing that, we'll submit. Yes, then after that, we're also going to verify our account. Okay, so let's do that right now. Okay, so once you're done verifying, it's going to bring you over to this interface. So we're just going to click on continue. Okay. Yes, so we're going to be verifying our identity. Yes, we're going to be uploading our documents, sorry. Then we're also going to perform a liveness check. Okay. That is, you're going to be taking a selfie. Yes, so once we're done doing that, then we're going to click on continue. So let's do that. Let's click on continue. Let's proceed. Okay, so once we input the code, then we'll continue from there. Right, so my profile has been verified, as you can see it. Okay, so we're going to proceed. Okay, so as you can see, I've gotten the $10 no deposit bonus. As you can see it right here. Then for this demo, this $10,000 demo is just for practice. It's just for us to use it to practice. Yes. So we're going to be trading right here in the site. Okay. Yes, we'll be trading right here in the site. So for us to withdraw, we're just going to click on this withdraw funds right here. As you can see, my available balance $10. Okay, so I'm going to be imputing my amount. Then I'm going to select my currency. Then after doing that, I'll be imputing my withdrawal address. So once I'm done doing that, then I'm going to click on submit. Yes, so this is how we're going to be withdrawing from this site. Okay, so now regarding the terms and conditions, let's message their support right here. What are the terms and conditions for withdrawal? So let's see. We're going to send it. Okay, so they're going to get back to us. But for the little that I know, yes, you have to complete your KYC. So that one is compulsory, and you have to trade at least 150 USDT before you can be able to withdraw. Okay, but if they should get back to us, I'm still going to show us the terms and conditions right here.